to have the girls enjoy themselves for the day, so I decided, why not have a spa day? I built a full spa at my house, so why go anywhere else? I bought everything, spray tanning boots,